Hello, today I will show you on how you can use a Swift app in your Android. You can also try this in your iOS and mobile web version of the app. And if you don't have the app yet, just go to the link in the description below, then download the app. Now I will show you on how you can make a transaction in SWFT Blockchain. I will try to convert my SwftCoin into other currency. So just open the app, click the Bitcoin logo, choose any cryptocurrency that you want to transfer from the app. In this case, I will use SwiftCoin. Then click the other logo and choose any coin that you want to exchange to. I will use Ethereum. Okay, so now as you can see, the fee is calculated depending on the amount that you will going to transfer, and the standard payment method for the exchange fee is a SwiftCoin. Now you just need to enter your desired amount that you want to transfer. I will going to transfer 1,100 SwiftCoin, and as you can see, I will receive 0.027 ETH. Then you just need to click Start Exchange, and you will see two boxes. Here, you will enter in the first box the address where you want to receive the Ethereum, and in the second one, the address where you want to be refunded. So I will use my token address. Then confirm. Now you will be redirected in the deposit page. Just need to click the deposit address, and it will automatically copy. Then just go to any wallet that you want to transfer to. I will use my token and send the exact amount. It's 1,100 ETH. I'm sorry, 1,100 SwiftCoin. Okay, so I just signed 1,400 SwiftCoin. Go back into the app, and after that, if the transaction received and confirmed by the blockchain, the system will automatically exchange the coins and send it to the receiving address that you provide. Note that you need to pay miner's fee for every transaction. And now, as you can see, the system is now receive my 1,100 SwiftCoin and exchange it into Ethereum. Okay, so the miner fee is 0.0006 ETH, and I will receive 0.026 Ethereum. Now the system is sending the Ethereum. Just confirming, and when it's done, it will automatically change into cent. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.